gave my wife this drone to have me check it out and see how it is. So I thought, why not? So we get to check it out together and see what this AKASO, I don't know, whatever, the X8C drone. It's coming up to you next on this episode of
Welcome to No Pros RC. Enemies.
Okay, so just looking at what we have here, I see an adapter, I see blade guards, this is what you charge it with, here's the battery, here's the blades, what the heck is this? It looks like a camera mount, I don't know. Transmitter here. Yeah. I'm not really worried about those. This looks like the legs for it to land on. Gave us some tools, some screws, and the battery. Alright, let's just take a look at the drone itself, shall we? Okay, we got all 4 legs screwed in nice and secure on the AKASO, if that's how you say that properly, I don't know. But yeah, everything is secured, the blades are insecure already, so we don't have to worry about that. All we're doing now is just waiting for the battery to charge up, which is doing so right now. So this takes, count them, 1 2 3 4 5 6 AA batteries. So let's see what this looks like. Flashing LED light there, and some kind of indicator here to let you know the signal strength connecting to the drone, battery life, and I'm not exactly sure what the percentage means. Don't forget to like this video if you are a RC enthusiast. Your likes help promote the channel and make the YouTube algorithm happy so other RC enthusiasts can check out this video. I would greatly appreciate that. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Your support means everything. We want our No Pros RC community to keep on growing. And don't forget to drop that notification bell, or push that notification bell rather. That way you know when we drop new videos. We post videos twice a week. We try to be faithful and post videos twice a week, every Wednesday and every Sunday.
A few moments later.
So the battery has finished charging. It took about an hour or so. Okay, the battery is in. That is closed. Let's turn it on and look at what we got. We got some pretty green and red LED lights that you can see underneath as well as on top. Transmitter here. Throttle. Yeah, as soon as I find someone that can film for me, we'll take her out. demonstration, and once you get it calibrated down pretty good, it can become stable. If you are a beginner at this, I would recommend you get the blade guards. Well, it should come with the blade guards. I recommend you install those just so you don't get chopped up until you get it calibrated down to the point where it just hovers like I eventually got it. And it also depends on the wind and things of that nature. But yeah, I do recommend it if you find it over the holiday season. This brand, like in a Marshalls or a TJ Maxx or something like that, go ahead and get it. It'll be fun just for, you know, beginning, and you can crash it and things of that nature. You get a couple extra blades, and you know, you didn't break the bank to learn how to fly a drone. And then when you're ready, you can go out and purchase an expensive one and have at it. With that being said, I'm not going to hold you guys anymore. Thank you for taking your valuable time and watching this video. So y'all be easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.